Light showers with it. Outbreaks of rain in northern Scotland will turn heavier later in the day, where it's still quite breezy. And although there'll be quite a bit of cloud again running into Northern Ireland, there may be a bit of hazy brightness at times. And temperatures actually through parts of England and Wales that had some heat on Friday will be a tad cooler on Saturday before heating up again on Sunday. Looking like a fine Saturday evening away from northern Scotland. Warmth being felt more widely on Sunday, and the hot spots in the south getting into the low 30s on Monday and Tuesday.
This is BBC News. I'm Shaun Ley with the headlines at 7 o'clock. Durham police have cleared Sir Keir Starmer of breaking lockdown rules. He'd pledged to resign if he was fined. The Labour Party leader says his party is now ready to replace the current government.
If there was a general election, this government will fall, and we've got a plan for the country. We want that fresh start.
Former Chancellor Rishi Sunak enters the race to succeed Boris Johnson as leader of the Conservative Party and Britain's next Prime Minister. Tributes pour in from around the world for Japan's former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe was assassinated excuse me, while delivering a speech at a campaign event. The soaring cost of petrol and diesel. The competition watchdog launches an investigation into the way the prices at the pump are.
Game, set and match.
And in the Wimbledon men's semi-final, Britain's Cameron Norris loses in 4 sets to Novak Djokovic. And coming up in half an hour's time, international correspondents and London-based journalists share their impressions of the reason for Boris Johnson's departure and who and what comes next. Hello, good evening and welcome to BBC News, and apologies for my sneezing fit. Really caught me unawares that time. The Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer and his deputy Angela Rayner have been cleared by Durham police of breaking lockdown rules. The force was looking into an event in April of last year during election campaigning when Sir Keir was pictured drinking